there are so many things that went wrong. Okay guys, so let's talk about the ingredients for the slime. So we have 1.5 cups of flour, 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, a bowl to mix everything in, and we have some melted oil to just if you'll see. Keep that as a, and we have some coconut oil just in case if the mixture starts to get sticky, and we have some food coloring, and you'll see what color I pick, and I have a special ingredient. So let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna add the flour, but you don't want to put all the flour into the bowl because you want to put it in step by step. So I'm just gonna put in half a cup into the bowl. Oh, no. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know.
Wait, I think it looks okay.
I think we're good.
I think so.
Yeah, I think. Why won't you level out? Yep, yeah, we're good. Yeah. Okay. Now we are gonna do 2 pinches of salt. Sprinkle, sprinkle in the salt. Salty sprinkle. Now we're gonna put 1/4 a cup of water. Yeah, that's good.
And start to mix it.
And now we are going to start to mix it. Oh, wow. FYI, I've never done this. Oh, this is getting...
Starting to come together.
Yeah, already. So we have red, blue, green, yellow. Let's see. I'm gonna do blue.
And your few dots.
Ooh.
Okay, that's more than a few dots. We'll see what it looks like.
So we've mixed it to a consistency, but not the right consistency. So I'm putting some oil on my hands so it won't stick, and hopefully this will get to the right consistency that I would like for it to be at. So let's try it. It made a sound. some footage of attempt number 1. Crazy, sticky. Bleh. So we are starting over. So hopefully this works. Fingers crossed. Now I'm going to tell you the ingredients we have for attempt number 2. So we have just under 2 cups of water, 2 cups of flour, some salt, a little bit of oil in case we need it. We have some food coloring and my secret ingredient. So let's get started.
So Sydney suggested that we put all the salt in, which we did, and it started to help it to come together. And now she's putting more flour in, and it looks like it's trying to become something.
Dough. We're getting dough.
Let's move this out of the way. If you can see that blob over there on the side of the
Mommy
bowl.
started to get a little cuckoo.
I got a little cuckoo and frustrated, and so I was just playing with the blob. So that's why there's a blob over there. It's a little messy. Our station. Uh-oh, is it getting there?
It barely stuck to my hand.
Okay, keep stirring, keep stirring.
Here's a little piece. Wow, this thing is floury. I sort of made like a Play-Doh. This did not stick to my hand.
Is it working now? Did you get it from out of here?
No, it was just sitting right there.
Cool.
It's not even sticking to my hand.
Alright, let's just.
Okay, guys. Okay.
I'm mixing in.
She thinks. We did it.
We did it, I think.
Yes! We did it. So we have the slime, and now it's time to put in the secret ingredient. And it's glitter. So we have 3 colors of glitter. We have a hot pink. Where do you open this?
Other side. Turn it to the right side. Turn it around.
Now we are going to put in the hot pink on it. The dark purple. And the blue. Or I could say like zero. Now I'm gonna put some oil on my hands. It was trying to have a party without me.
Wait, don't flip it in. Keep flipping it outward, yeah. Yeah, keep flipping it outward like that. There it is.
This is what it is. This is not slime or dough. This is called slow because it's like slimy dough. Get it? Hey guys, so we have finally made this slime. Well, it's really called slow because it's like slimy dough. It's sticky but not too sticky. If you put like some oil on your hands, it won't really stick. Anyway, I'm really proud of it. Like second time's a charm. And yeah, follow this video if you can, because there was a lot of things that happened with trying to make slime. So yeah. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram page. The link will be down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah! Comment down below if you like my rock collection, and if you want them, you can find you can find them like at Dollar Tree or something.
Or they could just go on a nature walk and find.
Well, yeah, true. That too.
You can find some rocks at Dollar Tree.
Or you want to be really, or if you want to be adventurous, you can go out in the wild and find some rocks. Those two. I would like to go out into the wild, but I just found these rocks at Dollar Tree.
So we have soup, or like more like porridge. Goldilocks and the 3 bears.
Blue porridge. Blue porridge.
This looks like the porridge that was too cold.
Oh my gosh.
Mama Bear's porridge. Too cold. This is horrible. So, I don't know. Alright, we'll have to stick with the slime kits. We do have a slime kit in the house, but I was trying to do